If you're having any kind of error or bug in your YouTube app on your Android phone, I will show you the easiest way to fix any bug for your YouTube app. All you have to need, go to your Android phone settings, go down, tap on apps. Here, tap on the search apps icon and type here YouTube. Tap on YouTube. In here, go down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Go back to your app library and search for YouTube. Long press on YouTube. Tap on. Here, just tap on uninstall. If you don't see uninstall option, then all you have to need, go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for YouTube, and here you will find uninstall option. Just uninstall your current YouTube app from your Android phone. After that, you have to reinstall the YouTube app. So all you have to need, go ahead and update or reinstall YouTube app, sign into your account again, and that's how you will be able to fix any bug for your YouTube app on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.